The Toyota F101 was one of the most unusual and forward-looking concept cars of the 1970s. Introduced at the 20th Tokyo Motor Show in 1973, it was presented by Toyota as the sedan of the future, although it was actually a sleek four-seat coupe. Despite never reaching production, the F101 played an important role in Toyota's design evolution and helped shape the second-generation Toyota Celica. The project emerged during a period of major change in Japan. In the early 1970s, Japanese industry was encouraged to focus on advanced technology and efficiency rather than energy-intensive production. Toyota embraced this philosophy and developed the F101 as a demonstration of aerodynamic design, fuel efficiency, and modern engineering. Visually, the F101 looked years ahead of its time. Its low profile, long hood, flowing roofline, and carefully sculpted body gave it a futuristic appearance that remained modern even by late 1970s standards. Toyota designed the body with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, anticipating the growing importance of fuel economy during the global energy crisis that began in 1973. One of the car's most distinctive features was its unusual asymmetric luggage compartment. The rear hatch consisted of two separate, longitudinally hinged sections of different sizes. Drivers could open the smaller section for everyday items or the larger section when carrying more luggage. The design was rare even among concept cars and highlighted Toyota's willingness to experiment with practical innovation. Mechanically, the F101 was less radical. Power came from 1,968 cubic centimeters, approximately 2.0 liters, carbureted inline-four engine derived from the Toyota Corona. The engine produced 97 horsepower and was paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission driving the rear wheels. While performance was modest, the concept emphasized efficiency rather than speed. The chassis borrowed elements from the first-generation Celica. The F101 featured fully independent front and rear suspension systems and four-wheel disc brakes, advanced specifications for a Japanese concept car of that era. These features suggested strong handling potential, although the vehicle was never evaluated beyond the concept stage. Toyota later acknowledged that the F101 influenced the second-generation Celica, particularly the shape of the liftback model introduced in 1977. However, many concept features, including the hidden headlights and unique rear hatch, never entered production. Today, the Toyota F101 remains an overlooked chapter in Toyota's history. It did not revolutionize the automotive industry, but it accurately anticipated future trends in aerodynamic styling, efficiency, and practical design, making it one of the most fascinating Japanese concept cars of the 1970s.